Stupidity makes motorcycles dangerous. Human beings behind the wheel that are stupid makes motorcycles dangerous. Stop blaming the bikes. It's stupid behavior on the road that makes motorcycles dangerous, not the bikes. Stop blaming the motorcycles. People's fault, not the motorcycles. Stop blaming the motorcycles. It's the people's behavior behind the wheel that makes motorcycles dangerous. Please stop blaming the motorcycles.